Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm so sorry for not posting for a really long time, like I think about 2 months? No, 3 months. It was 3 months ago. I didn't post for a long time and I'm so sorry, but today I'm posting a new video and today is going to be another slime video. If you get tired of watching me do slime videos, then please comment down below if you guys are tired and you guys want me to do any suggestions that you guys want. I was planning the other day to do a nail polish video, but then I was like, it wouldn't really upload, so the thing had an error, it was pronounced that word, so it had something wrong with it, and I couldn't post it. It had an error, and it wouldn't post, and I was like, no! But today's a brand new video, and today's gonna be another slime video, which you guys are gonna see. So I did this over here and actually got these things at Justice. So let's get on to the video. So I do have a locker that I do have to open. So these are the materials that I'm gonna be using for today's slime. Also this bowl. Also my hammer, which I'm gonna be using from now on. Which this is to pat down the slime when it's not behaving, or if it's too or if it's too like hard and it won't go down, so I would go like this and try to push it down. Also, this slime is awesome. I love it, and it's light blue. Okay, and this is also my mixer. So, oh no, I forgot I had activator. Now the floor is wet. Oh well. Okay, so this is my mixer when I mix slime. So my camera's not gonna be standing like this forever, so I need to hurry up and get to the video because I've been talking so much fast. Okay, so let me do my locker combination. Do not look. Okay, so I did my locker combination, and these are the materials. I feel like I forgot something, but I feel like I did it. So these are materials I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna be using. That's not really good. Let me change the light. I'm not really sure if this is so good, but I think. Okay, so first I'm going to be using Pink Perfect, I'm not sure, and I'm going to be using shaving cream. This, I tried putting it in a little container, but the shaving cream would just come out. Be quiet. And this is my shaving cream, and this is my little activator, which I put in the glass, which doesn't have a cap, so I'm kind of scared. And so that's the activator. And this is the glue I'm going to be using. Always glue. Okay, I'm closing you now. And that's all I'm going to be using today. So let's get on to making slime. Okay, so I already have my bowl here. And I'm going to be mixing some slime inside. So let's start. Whoa, okay. So I'm making slime right now. So okay, so starting to put in the glue. The glue is so hard to put in, and my uncle came in and didn't read the note that I put on the door, so he just came in right now. Okay, I put a lot of glue in. That's okay, it's still fine. I feel like I need to put the cap a little bit more higher, so let me go get a brick. Okay, so I got another brick right here, and I feel like this is not the best thing to do. So, like that. I feel like that's okay. So you guys have my slime. You guys see, I can't talk. Okay, so I have my, oh my gosh, shaving cream got everywhere, and it's not really good. You know what, messy hands. Okay, so I have the shaving cream here, and I'm gonna put it in. This won't go down. Okay, so I'm making slime right here, so everyone keeps walking to my door, next to my door. And so the shaving cream would not want to come out. Oh. Shaving cream's not coming out. Probably could shaving cream. Okay. 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 Also, I'm not sure if this video will upload. Okay, so I finally got it out somehow. Not all of it, but some. There's still a little bit more, like right here. There's still a little bit. A little bit. Okay, so I cleaned my hands right now. So let me add some Pink Perfect. I want to add like, oh, okay. I wanted to add like a little bit so it can be a light pink, but I guess I added a little. I think it'll be a little. I think it'll be light. I'm not sure. Oh, nope. This is not the color pink I wanted, people. Okay. And if you don't see through the camera, like it's kind of a little light pink. But if you see right here, it's dark pink. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I should probably turned it weird. Let me get my light and this way. I'm not sure if this is perfect for you guys. Oh, kind of better. Okay, so I'm done mixing this, and next is activator. So I'm gonna add a little bit. Yeah, that's a little bit. And so I'm gonna start mixing. I think I will need more activator. I'm not sure. This is not a lot of glue, but like, I don't know, medium, small, I'm not sure. Trying to mix all of it. Yeah, I'm scared to touch it. Yep, it's sticky. It's very, very sticky. No, I did not like it. Let me get my contact solution to actually do this. Okay, I'm back, and I have my contact solution here. Let me try it. Oh, okay. I like putting a lot of contact solution, but well, I don't like putting a lot of contact solution because I know the consequences, but I don't know, I don't know, this is weird. I never added so much contact solution before. Well, I have because of the slime you guys just saw. Well, not just, but like saw when I was hammering it and being a weirdo with the slime, so. Oh no, it's still kind of sticky. I'm trying so hard to not make it sticky, but I heard if you grab a little bit by little and mix it in your fingers, then that would actually help. So, trying to do that as best as I can, so you guys can actually. Oh, not so you guys, for you guys. Well, okay, so this is not going so well. Okay, I'm gonna go with my hands up, but I feel like it's too early. I knew it. Okay, so this, well, it's kind of, I think this is the time where you have to actually mix it with your hands. So, yeah. Oh, the hammer just fell out of the bowl. And I am not a big fan of what the slime is right now, because, oh, no, it got stuck. It's literally stuck everywhere. Okay, please like this video. I'm hoping for you guys to like this video because this is just a mess. This is not going well and my camera keeps going weird. Okay, what up? Okay. Why did I just keep it like this? Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay. This is not going so well. Okay, so this is kind of good. Okay, this is best I can do. Okay, so this is not going so well, as you can see. I do not like it. It's so sticky. I'm trying to not make it so sticky. It's so sticky. Okay, let me get my contact solution. Okay. This is how I do it when it's so sticky, like right now. Okay. This is so stringy. Oh, no, it is actually stringy and so, I'm cringy. This is not the best way to be making slime or playing with it, so never do this. Never make slime. Well, yeah, obviously make slime, but like, never make the mistake I am doing. Oh my gosh, it's hurting so bad. And my nails are they are actually scratching while I am making this. So, ah! The cow flipped over. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end it here because this is just bad, really bad. And so, I hope you guys are having a great day, unlike me. Please like this video. Please like this video. And if you're new, hi and welcome to the Glittery Unicorns. Subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I make a new video, like right now. And don't stay sticky like I am right now. Have a good day. Bye.